Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show how to remove audio from a video inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up Canva and open up that project where you like to remove the audio from. So in this case I've just uploaded a random video onto Canva and now I want to remove this audio from there. So if I go ahead and click on the video, and then you'll see a volume button. Click onto that and you simply put the volume to 0 like so, and now if I press play there's no audio on this video, right? But if I want to add in a new soundtrack to the back of that, or a new audio track, simply upload a file or search for an audio inside Canva. But for this demonstration I'm just going to search for an audio inside Canva. I might have one saved. Yep, so here we go. So I'm going to use one of these, and then I'm going to move this across like so. So if I press play now, you can see I removed the audio from the video and I put my own audio as the background. So yeah, it's as simple as that guys, how to remove audio from video inside Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this was helpful.